Upward facing dog pose or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Its name comes from 4 Sanskrit words: Urdhva meaning upward, Mukha meaning face, Swana meaning dog, Asana meaning pose. It is most commonly practiced as a transition pose in Surya Namaskar A and B. It's similar to Cobra pose, but here the thighs and pelvis lift completely from the floor so that the body weight is supported on the hands and tops of the feet only. The pose rejuvenates and strengthens the spine. Begin by lying face down on the floor with your legs extended behind you, spread a few inches apart. The tops of your feet should rest on the mat. Do not tuck the toes as this can crunch your spine. Place your hands on the floor alongside your body next to your lower ribs. Point your fingers to the top of the mat and hug your elbows in close to your ribcage. Inhale as you press through your hands firmly into the floor. Straighten your arms, lifting your torso and your legs a few inches off the floor. Press down firmly through the tops of your feet. Strongly engage your leg muscles to keep your thighs lifted off the floor. Keep your elbows pressed alongside your body. Drop your shoulders away from your ears and lift your chest toward the ceiling. Draw your shoulders back and your heart forward, but do not crunch your neck. If your neck is flexible, tilt your head to gaze toward the sky. Otherwise, keep your head neutral and your gaze directly forward. Your thighs should be firm and turned slightly inward. Your arms should also be firm, slightly turned, so that each elbow creases faces forward. Only straighten your arms as much as your body allows. Deepen the stretch as your practice advances, but avoid straining to achieve a deeper back bend. Actively press your shoulder blades into your upper back. Keep your elbows hugged into your sides. Broaden across your collarbones and lift your heart. Glide the tops of your shoulders away from your ears. Distribute the length of your back bend evenly throughout your entire spine. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, exhale as you slowly lower your torso and forehead to the mat.